Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting both devices on the same network. This is non-negotiable. On the TV, enable Chromecast built in under Device Preferences so it accepts incoming streams. Once done, make sure your phone or laptop and the Xiaomi TV have the latest updates. Outdated software often blocks discovery. Also close any VPNs on your sending device because they can isolate the network. With network and updates confirmed, you're ready to open the app or system tool. Now you actually start the cast. Open the app or system cast control on your phone and pick the Xiaomi TV listed. If using a browser on a laptop, use Chrome's cast menu and choose whether to share a tab, the whole desktop, or a file. This choice affects audio and performance. You'll see the TV show a connecting notification. Wait a few seconds. If prompted, confirm on the TV with the remote. Once mirrored, control playback from the sending device for best responsiveness. To finish, stop casting from the app or cast control. The TV will return to the home screen. If audio lags or video stutters, first pause and resume, then toggle Wi-Fi on the sending device. Make sure the router is not overloaded. If the TV never appears, check both devices' SSID, disable AP or guest isolation, and reboot the TV and phone. One key tip: restarting the Chromecast built-in service on the Xiaomi TV usually clears persistent discovery problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.